Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and thanks to the return subscriber. So Thursday last week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday was holiday for us in South Korea. So I decided to take my bags to one of the most visited tourist city in South Korea, which is Busan. So guys, I will share my days in Busan with you, so stay tuned to the channel and please give a thumbs up to the video so that the YouTube algorithm can push the video for others. Okay, thanks. So I'm on the way to Busan. Check into my hotel, look around the room if everything is okay. Then I have to change and freshen up and relax for some few minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm out. Now moving to the beach side, Haeundae Beach, the famous beach in Busan. So on my way to the beach, you see this, it's still a little bit hot. So this on the side road for people waiting for the green light to cross. If you are feeling hot, you can stand under there and get some fresh air. It's like open air aircon. So Korea have put everything in place to satisfy everybody. If you are feeling hot, you go and stand there and wait. This is my, I don't know how many times I've come to this beach since I've been in Korea. I don't know, 6 to 10 times. This beach during the summer, from the month of May, June, July, is full because that period is very hot. And come here is very full. People are many. So I've been here several times. So okay. Now go on the beach side to get some fresh air from the sea. As you can see, children playing, people there with their family. We have couples having good time, enjoying their holiday. Because this is holiday in Korea called Chuseok holiday. I think it's the longest holiday for them. Please subscribe to the channel, help the channel to grow. As you are watching, like the video, thumbs up to the video. Please like, comment and share. Okay, now I left the beach. Let me take you to the street where things goes down. If you want to eat foreign food, you get on this street. You want to drink, you want to party, it's on this street. The street is always busy. It's mixed culture. You have Koreans, foreigners. This street is always busy, as you can see. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I will be coming back with a video of the Busan aquarium and Busan Oryokdo Island, where I went there for some skywalk. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell so when I drop any video you get notified. Please like, comment and share. More video coming for Busan, so please stay tuned to the channel. Peace, one love. Busan is good.